we're gonna go ahead and take this Fei'i wrack to try and kind of get up here. Let's see, it's just starting to show orange down the lengths of the bananas, and one or two have already turned color and rotted off, but that's probably just from damage. I don't know which way it's going to want to go though. Looks like it wants to come this way.
Yeah, right.
Remember, these things are brittle. Brittle banana.
Did we want? Yeah, I was gonna say, did we want to move anything? We could move the chipper. The chipper. Whoa. It's bogus. Definitely starting to lean a little. Oh, here we go. Hey, 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 no, watch out. Whoa, wow. The reveal. Whoa.
Oh, look at the size of that trunk. Yeah, those are perfect.
Wow, beautiful.
Perfect. Any later, and I think it would have been a challenge.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. Look at those top ones already. They're getting color on the all the way around. Whoa. Oh my goodness.
All right. Woo. I'm going to sit here real quick. Soft.
Good idea.
Did you put a banana leaf down on the kind? Just scrape some of those. Up a little higher, would you?
Oh, on this. I see.
Okay. What a weird banana. Yeah, see there was
Oh yes,
abandoned one.
near the top.
All right, but yeah, look at that full color coming in.
Beautiful.
Probably the best time to handle your Fei'i, because once they turn full color, they're so soft. And look at that lavender sap. Please a lot darker. Some cuts, but yeah, Fei'i again.
Woohoo!
Cropping the Fei'i. The size of that wrack, unreal. More treats for farmers market. Woo! Aloha.